Massive explosion. Ukrainian drone hit Russian OSA-SAM in Donetsk. A reconnaissance UAV identified the radar signature and vehicle profile consistent with the OSA system. The platform was moving slowly along a concealed route, likely adjusting its defensive coverage. Once alignment was confirmed, a strike UAV was directed onto the target. The drone descended and delivered a precision impact against the air defense vehicle. Footage from the UAV showed a direct hit, followed by visible damage to the system. The OSA was assessed as destroyed or rendered combat ineffective at the scene. The strike removes a short-range air defense asset from Russian coverage in that sector, contributing to Ukraine's broader effort to weaken frontline air defense networks and expand operational space for aerial and unmanned missions.